All right, guys, I'm going up.
Gear up, flaps up.
They broke to pieces, so. Yeah. That's all. They're easy to fix, actually. You can surprise how broken they can be and you can fix them. Yeah. I've had mine too. You see on the corner. Alright, somebody.
Okay.
You guys run an FPV or anything? We have a guy who does, but it's not me.
Time remaining.
Okay, I'm doing a fast pass from the right. Let's do one from the left.
I'd really like to get a radar gun and see how fast that thing moves. Oh shit. How fast do you think that thing is?
This one's close to 100, maybe a little over.
You have pretty good control of that thing. How long have you been flying jets?
Jets for a few years.
Yeah.
I've been flying since I was 9 years old, though, so I've been flying forever.
That's what.
Been at it a long time.
2 minutes.
Yeah, a few years, but I've only been doing. Let's put it this way. That's my 21st flight.
Oh, okay. You're still pretty new then.
Yeah.
Well, on that plane, right?
Yeah. 21st on that one. I've got a plane I've got well over 200,000.
Yeah. Yeah, I've got one.
Huh?
No battery left?
Done. Oh, really? Can't even taxi back? Barely.
That done, huh?
Yeah.
At least you're on the ground.
Yeah, man. Battery's getting tired. I think I'm going to change the EDM.
That's full.
Yep. When it picks up its momentum, it really moves.
Time remaining. 1 minute.
That's screaming.
Oh, 3-0.
Ooh.
Yeah.
It's not happy.
I stayed under 3 minutes. That's weird.
Well, yeah, you weren't up that long.
Yeah, and the battery was 4.2 when I started. All good. That's just really
30
low. That's like the
seconds.
second time.
Did it recover?
Well, the first time I ran out of battery and crashed.
Right.
The range is that much.
What are you doing wrong?
Yeah.
All right, this is a real fast one.
8, 7, 6,
Wow.
5, 4,
Got another one.
3,
Oh, you got yours too. Cool.
1.
18.
Time expired.
Is that stock? I don't land it very well, man. Probably not, huh?
What, the F-18?
Yeah.
Yeah, bone stock.
Is it?
Yeah, it's bone stock. Nothing changed. Only thing I changed was the paint scheme. That was it.
Gear down. Landing flag.
It's the FMS unit, that same FMS unit in your F-16.
Yeah, it is, yeah. You didn't change out the ESC?
Nothing.
No problem?
Nothing.
I heard pretty deep problems.
A lot of people did, and I don't know why. But
Yeah.
all right, guys, I'm landing from the right.
Alright, it's landing.
Ron's gonna be pissed I'm flying over him, but oh well.
Clear.
No cars?
Nope.
Okay.
Nice, my dude. Oh, this F-18,
Flaps
that
up.
nose gear, keep losing using this little screw that keeps the nose tire in and the spring in.
Oh, really?
Here, yeah.
That little baby screw? It's a really small screw. Well, this stuff is pretty rough out here.
It is very rough.
It tore off my aileron on my MiG, just taxing.
Out here?
This thing.
Yeah, go ahead.
You got a battery in there?
No.
One minute over.
Ooh, that was fun. Greg, do you follow that pilot on Instagram?